it's Vanessa with Farmgirl Gardens and Market. Today I'm in my onion beds and I am just weeding and getting things ready as we prepare for baby for me to not be able to do much around here. So one of the things I wanted to show you is what I do for my onions as they are growing to get them to bulb out. Right now I'm just going through and weeding because things have been a little bit of a mess lately. Hey baby! But what I wanted to show you is basically the onion, as it's growing. Onions are heavy feeders, so you do want to make sure that you're feeding them about every 3 weeks as they're growing continuously throughout the season. But also, they need loose, friable soil, and they need to be able to bulb out. And if your soil is too compact, or if you've planted it too deep, you're not going to get that. The neck is going to get truncated, and you're not going to get a big bulb development. So the way to continually increase space for those onions to make bigger onion bulbs is to come in periodically and just kind of remove some of the material or soil away from the bulb. You want to be careful that you are not removing the onion skin, because that is what's keeping this guy from getting eaten and rotting. But as you can see, when you look in the ones that aren't weeded yet, all that I'm doing is I'm coming in and just removing the weeds around them. And you can use a stick to just kind of draw the circle around your onion, but I just use my fingers. I just do that. And then once you've done that for a while, once you've done that, you'll just kind of keep that practice up of, every few weeks coming out here and clearing the dirt away from your onions so that they can bulb out. If you look behind me, we've got all the rest of our onions in and bulbing out. We just need to weed them because it's been a while. But, same concept, just coming in and removing the material around it. Guys, I'm so sorry for video quality. It's just really hard for me to bend. But anywho, that was just a short little tip I wanted to share. If you're having problems with your onions not developing, there's a good chance that they are getting strangulated from having too much material around them. Truly, the onion is a really aggressive plant. It can handle a lot. You can even pull up a whole onion, and as long as the roots are attached, you can replant it and it will regrow. Oftentimes when you do that, it does actually kind of disrupt the life cycle, and you'll get a new baby onion coming out the side. That's what happened to this guy. You can kind of see that. If you were up north, you could pull that out and you could plant it and keep succession planting your onions if they're doing that. Here in Texas, we have a really kind of a short and tight grow season, so I'm not going to do that to this guy. He'll just be a double header when we harvest him. So anywho, I hope that helps. I hope that you guys are well. I've had some bump picture requests. It's really hard for me to do that, but this is baby. And we're kind of working on an any day model. So anyhow, I hope you guys are doing okay. Go ahead and ask me any questions you have about onions in the comments. I do read them, and I do try and get back to all of them. So that's all I've got for this morning, and until next time, happy growing, y'all. Bye.